Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Learners. In this video, we'll be learning how to add audio in a website using HTML. If you have not accessed the playlist yet, go and access it. I will be providing the link in the description box. So, without wasting your time, let's get started.
A jolt and then you'll die.
So let us start our video. First I'll be opening my Visual Studio Code. Just right click, open with Visual Studio Code. So I will be selecting the folder. That is Web Development Course Rockets folder. And I'll create a new file called audio audio.html. Audio.html. The extension for HTML file is .html. So I'll just quickly put the boilerplate. Then I will start my live server. You can also right click and here you can see option live server. You can just do that and my live server has been started. So I'll zoom my page so you can see properly. And I'll toggle the word wrap using command palette. And I'll give a title called audio. Oh, I don't want this. I want audio as a title. I don't want audio as RC. Okay. So I'll make a h1 tag like before. I'll make h1 with class head. Class head. This is audio tutorial. This is audio tutorial and save it, and here it's written this is audio tutorial. So I'll just move to my style tag. I'll be targeting dot head. Then I will give first text align center. Then I'll give some background color to it. So this is it's showing me syntax as you can see here. Background color. I don't want this color. What's this color? It's not nice. I want this one color, and I'll use the color picker. I think this much color is nice. Yeah, it's nice. Then I will give width of 300 pixels. I think this much is enough. Yeah, it's enough. Then I'll give border of 3 pixel solid. This color is nice. It's red, purple, something. Then I will give a margin of 0 pixel auto. Yeah, now it's written this is audio tutorial. You can add more styling, but I'm not adding style. I'm not adding more style. So I don't have any audio right now, so I will open my voice recorder. Then I will record some audio. Hi, welcome to Tech Learners. This is audio tutorial. Yeah, now it's done. So there's video now. So I'll just right click and I will open the file location. To see a file location, you just right click and open. You can click open with file location, and I'll copy and paste in my so first I'll rename it videos and audios, and I'll paste it here. Paste it. Yeah, now there is so first I'll open my VS Code. Then I will write here audio to write to use audio in our website to should use audio tag. So I'll just remove the src and I'll make it separate, like putting source src colon src. So source src, then you can give src. So I have recording first inside the projects, videos and audios. If we give a long name, it will be very tough. Yeah, I got. So let us see if this audio come. Oh, there's no audio, but why? I think we should put here controls. Yeah, as you can see now. So there are we learned two types of things in video. One is controls and one is autoplay. So the same in audio too. So you can listen the audio now. So this is the audio I made using voice recorder. I just right click and open with file location, and I used audio tags src. If you make autoplay, it will come by itself. In autoplay there are no controls, and if you make autoplay, let us try autoplay too. In this, I'll refresh my page. So it will display none. Oh, I think here somewhere it is. I will use the touch screen. No, I think in autoplay there are no controls like video. In video they'll show a picture, but in audio they'll show nothing, and it will be moving by itself. Let us see this one more time. Hi, welcome. This is audio tutorial. So this is the difference between controls and autoplay. In controls you will get lots of controls like this. You will be able to increase the volume, and you will be able to download this. If you click, it will come to downloads, and you'll get lots of options. You can just explore it and say in the comment section. Let us listen this one more time. Hi, this is video. So in this video we learned how to add audio. In the previous video we learned how to add video from YouTube, and we learned how to add video from our PC too. So go and see that video. I'll be providing the video link in the description box. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe Tech Learners and access the playlist too. I'll see you next time. Until then, keep watching Tech Learners. Bye bye.